everyone, I hope you're all well and I hope that you are hungry because today I'm going to be cooking lunch. First of all, I wanted to go ahead and mention just a thank you for your kind response on my last video and blog post and just the revamp in general and the reshuffly jiggliness of the channel. I'm excited. I'm glad that you are as well. And it's time to eat. But it is currently 12:02. It's 12:02 and I'm making myself lunch. I don't know how long this takes to cook. We're just gonna go for it. I picked out the recipe. I actually don't remember what recipe it is. Let's just start there. Let's go get my cookbook. So over here is where I like to keep my cookbooks. Over here are kind of the ones I more or less use. And then over here are some other ones. And then I have up in this cabinet some other books and whatnot. I actually moved the bookcase, which used to be in my living room, which displayed more or less the books than I had cookbooks just straight along here. And I've kind of rejigged a little bit and don't quite know where to put some stuff yet, but it's working for now. We're just going with it. So today is, shoot, which cookbook is it from? I forgot. Hey, I found it! It is from Anna Jones's A Modern Way to Eat, and we're going to be making the poi, lentil, and sweet potato pie. I'm not making it exactly to this recipe because I have some other grains and stuff that I need to use up. First thing that you want to do is to get your mash together, as I have simmering right here. So I like to take my potatoes. It took 5, by the way. I already had 2 sweet potatoes, and so I grabbed 3 more at the store. I like to scrub my vegetables down, so I have a little vegetable scrubber. Scrub them down, cube it up. I kept the skins on, and they are now in a heavily salted water, or at least what I could do with this grinder, because this isn't the salt that came in this grinder, and so it's a little testy sometimes. Next, we're going to go ahead and do kind of a very confusing step that we'll see if I do correctly. It says make the lentils, then heat a pan, then add all your vegetables to it and cook for 10 minutes with small oil. Let's see how this one goes. Not quite sure. I have about 11 minutes left on this little guy. 9 minutes left before I start doing some more jazz to this, and I think I figured this out. I was a wee bit smarter and actually continued to read the instructions, and in 10 minutes we start adding other things to that, which will gooping it up, and then it says it'll magically cook. We're just gonna trust it. That's just what we're gonna do. And right now, gonna clean up the kitchen because that's what you should do, not like how I sometimes otherwise cook. Let's go clean. After that has cooked off for 10 minutes, we go ahead and add in the spices and thyme. So that is a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of allspice with a small bunch of fresh thyme. I say fresh thyme because mine was fresh at one time, and it's been in the fridge for a little bit, but we're gonna use it anyway. So, what you didn't see because I forgot to press record was tomatoes went in with 2 cans of water. Aren't I smart? This is where I discovered I actually did a step wrong. So we'll see how this turns out. You know that lentil step we were chatting about? Yeah, where the bar is on my stand, turns out it covers the add the lentils bit. So I was like, lentils, I put the lentils in at the wrong time, okay? They're supposed to already be pre-cooked, and I did not pre-cook them. Now that my mash is cooked, I need to go ahead and mash it up with olive oil, scallions, and lemon zest. Now, smart me, use the scallions in here, but I have extra, so we're just gonna make do. And then I didn't actually get a lemon, I'm just gonna use some lemon juice. So let's re-chop up some scallions. Whoops. What I'm waiting on at the moment is for my lentils to stew down and cook into a yummy mixture and be cooked. It'll be fine. After that, I'm going to go ahead and scoop on the potato mixture, scatter over some thyme. I don't have any more fresh thyme, so I'm actually going to go for my storage stack of dried thyme with a bit of salt and pepper because I can. And we're going to whack in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Ooh, look at that. That looks so delicious. I'm really excited for this. Oh. My piece did turn a little bit on the way out, but overall, I think it looks pretty darn good. Let's try my lunch at 2:15. Whoops. Mmm. Okay, I think that's pretty darn good. I might add a little bit more seasoning to it, some salt and pepper. But otherwise, I think that's pretty okay. That is it for this video, and I'm quite happy that I do enjoy this and will enjoy this after I turn off the camera, because that entire pan's for me. I should have known whenever it said 5 potatoes that this is going to be a big recipe. You know, 5 potatoes serve 6, but I'm a hungry hippo, and so I thought, reasonable, especially since I love potatoes. So anyway, I'm going to be enjoying this for the next week. I hope that you are having a lovely day. Let me know if you guys would like to see more cooking videos or more what I eat in the day sort of a thingy-majiggers. Just let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I'm going to go ahead and eat this, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye everyone.